it's 5plus1 musketeers again. Today we're gonna do a scratch program animation. The two characters talk to one another. So let's get into it.
Okay, so first go to scratch. Wait, sorry, wrong spelling. Scratch. Wait, that's wrong spelling again. So if you've already went to Scratch and saw my first video, you will get this area under one when you're searching the website. So just click there. It'll automatically take you to, sorry, I wasn't signed in. So if you're signed in, just go to my stuff. If you are watching this for the first time, I might recommend you going to the first video and watching it. So now, if you have seen my first video, you would have a username and password. You would have signed in. But if you forgot those, then you can always join Scratch. But please, I'm recommending, please don't forget your username and password, and also put it easy so that you can remember, like your name and your class maybe. Then again on your password you name class 2 so that you might remember it. Now click on your name and go to my stuff. Now just say new project. Now wait for it to load. Now we're gonna delete this sprite. And now we're gonna add a sprite at the sprite span over here as a cat. You might also go ahead and choose a backdrop, which I'm gonna show now. Click on this choose a backdrop area. Then you're gonna have these all amazing backgrounds you can add. You can add anyone, but I'm going for maybe Castle 2, like at the Cinderella one. I'm going to choose that. Now you can go ahead and choose your sprite. Now I'm going to choose like some sprites. You can choose any sprite like these ones over here, because you don't want them sitting, or like Abby or Avery or ballerina like this at the sprite over here. And also if you hover over the character, why are they changing? As you know, it is the costumes of the sprite. Now I'm gonna go ahead and search Griffin. Nah, I don't want that. Now you can go ahead and choose anything, so I'm just gonna choose people. Abby, you can show her here and choose another sprite because they need to talk to each other. Avery looks like a person who needs to talk. Now, why are they facing this side? It looks like they're going to the castle, but they need to talk to each other. So go to Avery, or the second sprite, which is pointing the opposite direction of talking. You see this direction? Click on that. You'll have this. Now you don't want it to turn like this, so but don't mess with that. I just lost it. You see this middle button, left or right? Click that, and you can change it like this. Done. Minus degrees. Now I'm just going to leave it there. Now as you can see, they're facing each other. You can talk. So when you go to Abby, if you want to start the conversation, go to Abby and go to event section, not motion. events, then take when flag clicked over here. When this flag clicked, she will do something action. Go to looks and you can say hello for 2 seconds. Now if you bring that down and attach it over here, she's gonna say hello for 2 seconds. Now you can change the seconds or keep it the same. Go to Avery and events. When flag click, do the same. But now we're gonna change it by putting a wait, because if they both talk at the same time, it's gonna be very, it's not gonna be fine. So wait for 2 seconds, then say hello for 2 seconds. But then if Abby wants to say another word, she has to wait for 2 seconds and she has to say her other words. So now you can continue how long as you want or how short as you want. So now we're gonna make a short one so that you guys can understand. So now hello. Now you can change the one like this. Just click on the box and just type on your iPad or keyboard. And now hello. But I want Abby to say hello Avery. So you click on the area, click on the text area, backspace, then say hello, capital Avery, since it's a proper noun. Now here I want to say hello Abby, so same, backspace, capital since it's starting, hello, A capital, Abby, hello Abby. Now I want Abby to say how are you. So go to say, put this the same and say how, capital there, forgot, how are you. Oh my god, I'm literally not doing correct. How are you? How are you? Now you need to wait command, since she is saying and you don't want to mix the ones. So now put 2. Now 2 seconds, I want her to say I am fine, thank you. So write that in the text box. I am fine, thank you. So, and also you can write whatever conversation you want in these. It's not my opinion. You can choose whatever you like. I'm doing it like this so that you guys can understand it. So, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. I want her to wait for some time, and then I want her to say, how are you? So that they're asking if you're fine or not. And wait for 2 seconds, and Avery need to say, how are you? I want Abby to say something different, like I'm excellent, thank you. Okay, so now we're gonna write I am X. Oh my god, I'm not good in my spelling. Excellent. Wait, yeah, I'm just gonna excellent do that. Excellent. Thank you. That one. Thank you. So this is the actual code. Now let's test run it. So this is Avery's code and this is Abby's code. Now let's test run it. Hello Avery, hello Abby. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. How are you? I'm excellent, thank you. So now you can end your one over here or you can make it longer. I'm gonna end it here since you won't be able to understand everything at this point. So we're gonna say for Abby, we're not gonna wait. We're gonna say bye. Wait a second. Bye. I have to go. See you later. You can say anything you want. Now, since we are putting 2 times for 2 seconds, why then we can only put 2 seconds? No, that's wrong. Because you need to add these two. 2 plus 2 equals 4. So Avery wait 4 seconds. Then say same bye, see you later. Okay, so we're done with our scratch project. So now we're gonna run it and see what's it. Okay, so our code is that, and thank you for watching.
That's it for today, guys, and please practice at home and make new conversations with new sprites, with new backgrounds, and try out whatever you like, and see you later with an other awesome scratch code program. And be sure to like, share and subscribe, and see you later. Bye.